What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In this video, Mrs. Propaganda's Wraith is going to be getting a new look.
We're gonna paint it.
So we're gonna paint her Wraith a different color. So you can see here the paint we have, it's in a bottle. This is airbrush paint. I am going to teach her sort of kind of how to airbrush. I am not that great at it myself. I got my brush all working. Last I used it on my drag car. It wasn't working really good, but I cleaned it out. I think I got everything working, so hopefully everything goes well with it and Mrs. Propaganda can lay down some paint. But first we're going to prep it, so Mrs. Propaganda will tear down this body. We're going to pull some stickers off, do a little bit of prep work. Although what is great about this rig is it's got no windows or anything. It's just kind of this panel out here. So it should be a real easy paint job. A little bit of prep and hopefully that airbrush holds up. So Mrs. Propaganda is going to get to work here, get this body all off the chassis, and then we're going to go outside in the very, very hot heat that we have and get this thing all painted up. So let's do it. Alright, there you have it. Mrs. Propaganda got it all off. She did a great job. I just didn't see the little screws. You're trying to figure out how to get the grill off. But we got it off. So next step is to wash this thing up. Scuff it up just a tiny bit. And paint it. So there you have it. It's going to be super simple. There's no taping or anything to do. Except she did decide she wanted to keep the lights because we thought it'd look a little funny without rear tail lights rather. So yeah, things all ready to go. I'm just peeling off the last little marker light on the front here that we forgot. Okay, so now we're gonna go outside and get this thing all painted up.
Okay guys, so I'm ready to paint my little card. I went with purple, obviously. If you guys didn't know, this is my favorite color. And then we have the matte clear. So let's see what happened.
So how do you like the airbrushing so far?
I guess it's okay, but it kind of takes a while and sometimes I'm not that patient with it, and then I don't think I'm doing that of a great job. I still see some imperfections. I thought with this will be like more of a smooth kind of look to it, but I still see some, or maybe I'm just doing it wrong, I don't know. But that's what we're doing here. We're just trying it out, see how it comes up, and having fun. It doesn't have to be perfect, just chilling, you know. Alright guys, so we're gonna move on to the clear matte now. We're done with the purple. I think it looks pretty good. I was being hard on myself. So yeah, we have to come in because it's very hot outside, so let's keep going.
Okay guys, back in the RC Propaganda Studio. So we were outside doing the painting, but we did not get the results we wanted. So the purple seemed like it went down okay, right?
Yep, you can see it right here. It looks okay to me. It doesn't look bad or anything, but then we tried to go with the clear coat, and then you can see it.
Yeah.
It looks so patchy, spotty, just doesn't look right.
Yeah, I'm not sure how well it's coming up on camera, but the airbrush, to be honest with you, the airbrush is a pain in the ass. The purple wasn't coming out. Now, part of it could be my fault. I might have been using a 02 tip because the 05s I had were messed up, and it took forever to get the purple down, but the clear matte color just did not want to come out, and it was just not working. So we did not get the results we wanted, right? It doesn't look up to your specs, so
You can see it. It looks bad.
yeah, it just doesn't look good. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna order some Tamiya cans, and we'll just blast it. I mean, one can will blast this thing. So I'm gonna have to go to Amazon to do that. I might reach out to JJ Customs, see what he's got in stock, if anything. But usually with A-Main Hobbies, my second favorite place to order from outside of JJ, they have to ground ship it because it has to, whatever, it can't go in the air because of the cans. So it takes forever to get here. So I just gonna pony up the extra money, order it prime on Amazon. Hopefully I can get the purple and the matte clear, and basically we'll just blast this again with the purple and then do the clear. It's a super easy paint job because there's no masking other than those little taillights we did. No windows, none of that stuff. So it's just a matter now of waiting for the paint. But, you know, you don't always get the results that you want in this hobby. Things, you know, break and you got to fix it. You mess it up, you go to paint, and I don't know. It might just be the airbrush. Not sure if it's the low-end quality or not. I did do my drag car. I had problems, but I did think that it turned out pretty good. I don't know. Do any of you guys airbrush? Let us know. Let me know. Maybe there's a different airbrush I should consider, because I do have my project build going on, and I am going to have to paint the body, and I really wanted to use that airbrush. I forget how much I paid for that setup, but I'm kind of disappointed now because after today's troubles, I'm not really sure that I would spend the money, I would buy different color paint, or spend the time, rather, is what I think I was trying to say.
Or was the paint, though, right?
Well, yeah, the Proline paint, I mean, it's made to go through that airbrush, but, a airbrush. So I don't know if it's the brush or what it is, but if any of you guys know anything, just let us know down in the comments. But let's see what it looks like on the car. We're going to loosely put it back together.
Yeah, you have it wrong.
It's
all wrong.
See, this is propaganda. Is going to keep me in check. So there it is. It does look pretty good. I think we're going to have to remove the stickers on the hood, but we wanted to keep the hood black, the flat black with the purple. I think it looks pretty good, really, as it is. I mean, if we were going out crawling, we'd be able to drive it, but hopefully I can find the cans on Prime in a couple of days. We'll just pull this thing back off. I'll store the bolts in a safe place. But yeah, I think it does actually look pretty badass.
Yeah.
So, you know, it is a crawler. It's a scale crawler. It's supposed to look kind of good, but your trucks get beat up and everything, so you don't have to get too caught up on your paint job. But for me, I'm kind of, I don't know, when it comes to paint, I want it to look as good as I can. So, I mean, overall, it's not bad. What do you think? You think it looks pretty good on there?
I love it. Except for the
you can see
patchiness
some of the spots, especially.
It looks like a clown with little dots.
In the front right here, you can kind of see some of the little spots where
the spots that I get to spray, you can tell, because this side I didn't spray any, so this is a patchy spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
But I mean, it's a simple fix. We'll order those cans up. We'll get it done. All right, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Before we go, I just want to let you guys know that Mrs. Propaganda does have her own Instagram. It is Mrs._RC Propaganda. Go give her a follow, and you can check out all of her RC shenanigans over there. We'll be posting some different things. Also, I'm going to put the Discord link. We have a Discord, so if you want to chat with us, we have it on our phone and stuff. I'm kind of trying to get it off the ground. It's very new, but we appreciate you watching. Don't forget, leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. But as always,
We catch you on the next one.